Interior is a perfect 10. Paint is a perfect 10. Everything works, even the air blows cold. Original miles, original paint, no rust. Possibly the best in the world as far as Oldsmobiles go. Numbers matching. Motor's never been out. All stickers, everything is in place. Car will place at Nationals at any event. And we will open up the trunk here in a second to show you how well it has done over the years. It's a top flight, first place car, senior division first place car. But the best thing about this is the paperwork behind it. Oldsmobile plant burned down in 1977, and you can't get documentation. Okay, this is what this car has done from the past. I think there's 26 trophies, original build sheet, original window sticker. Everything is all done in laminate. You can't get any better than this. Flat out gorgeous. Viking blue is the name of the color.